So class, I will give you one problem and you will have to do one problem. Okay. The problem that I am giving you is that the number of conduction electrons per cc, the number of conduction electron per cc. So what is that? N by V. Okay, that is equal to 24.2 into 10 to the power 22 in beryllium, and N by V is equal to 0.91 into 10 to the power 22 in cesium. Okay, all right. Now if the Fermi energy of conduction electron in beryllium, so UF for beryllium is equal to 14.44 eV. 14.44 eV. You have to calculate the UF for cesium. Okay. So what do? You simply use the expression for Fermi energy. What is that expression? UF is equal to h square by twice m 3 by 8 pi whole to the power 2 by 3 n by v whole to the power 2 by 3. Okay, so basically this is a constant for electrons. When I'm talking of cesium and beryllium, it means I'm talking about the sequential filling of electrons in the levels of in the cesium atom and the beryllium atom. Okay, so this is how you write the formula. So this is basically, this portion is a constant k. If you evaluate this portion and keep it in your mind, then quickly you can finish your problem, because you will get such if you get such problems, then you don't have to sit and evaluate this part. You can call this as k. So this is k n by v whole to the power 2/3. So don't start evaluating immediately. So if you take the ratio for UF beryllium divided by UF cesium, then what you get is k into 24.2 into 10 to the power 22 whole to the power 2/3 divided by k into 0.91 into 10 to the power 22 whole to the power 2/3, and this ultimately gives your Fermi energy for cesium. So calculate the Fermi energy. Now that you know what it is, you know the Fermi energy for beryllium. So Fermi energy for cesium you can calculate from here by substituting the Fermi energy of beryllium. So just calculate the Fermi energy of cesium. Okay, all right. The next problem. All right, so this problem you will do by yourself. Okay, I'll just give you some small hints. Problem 2. Okay, so problem number 2. What is it? So the Fermi energy of conduction electron, the Fermi energy for conduction electron in silver is 5.48 eV. Okay, So calculate the number of search electrons per cc, which means N by V. Okay, given H is equal to 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 27 erg second. Okay, and 1 EV is equal to 1.62 into 10 to the power minus 12 erg. These are the two things given to you. You have to calculate the Fermi energy of silver. So you have to use, all I will tell you is that use the expression UF equal to H square by twice M. Okay. All right. 3N by 8 pi V whole to the power 2 by 3. So from here you have to get the value for N by V by proper substitution and get the result. So this is what you have to do, and you please submit your answers. Alright. So thank you students. If you have no further questions, thank you. So this completes your actually completes your statistical physics, because now you know your statistical physics with your application, where it is applied, the utility and the applications of the statistical physics. So if you are given any question from anywhere, I now feel confident that no one can just stop you, and this is a portion which is very scoring, so please do it and do all such similar problems that you have in your book. Is that okay, students? Okay, thank you so much.